Hey everybody, I've been trying to do a new technique. This will probably be my 5th or 6th attempt at it. We'll see what we can do. So this is just an experiment. So we're going to mix this up some white. For my white, I'm going to use heavy body acrylic socks. I'm going to do 1 part acrylic and 2 part floetrol. You want your bottom coat, your foundation, to be thin. On my colors, I use latex basic acrylics and 1 part floetrol. That's a little thick. I'm going to add just a dab of water. I'm getting rid of some of this excess paint where I know I don't have too much. Then I'll smooth it out again. I'm going to use purple. This is a dark rose. Mediterranean blue. Metallic silver. And a rich orange. The color you want to be the most predominant, you do last. My silver is going to be runnier than my other paint because metallics tend to be thinner. I believe my white was too thick, but this is the best one I've done so far, and it's not the greatest. Can't use the blow dryer anymore because that will make my colors run together too much. I'm going to stop there and leave this alone. Next time my white will be thinner. This isn't great, but it's the best one I've done so far.